How much did you say you had in this? I do. Do they have like the minifigs and stuff with the set? All right, I got. What do you have on the TV? How you doing, girl? With a Bigfoot. Kind of looks like Carrie.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you all?
I'm doing good. Didn't mean to scare you.
You did.
All right. You hear me coming? I thought it was like a ninja in the night. Apparently not. Today we're in Kentucky at the Highway 127 sale. If you guys aren't familiar with this, it's the largest garage sale in the world. It's 690 miles, goes through 6 states.
Yeah.
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Good.
How much is the Lego stuff?
There's some bags in there too.
They're $30, and I think that the fewer is smaller. I do 20.
Okay. Do they have like the minifigs and stuff with the set?
The minifig, I really don't know.
Okay.
I cannot promise that.
Gotcha.
See, there's a hex over here.
Yeah. Looks like a bunch of. Looks like the figures might be missing up from the sets.
Yeah.
I didn't see any. Yeah.
So you're looking for figures?
No, but these sets have figures that go along with it.
Yeah.
So that they get the complete set. You get the Legos and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Hello, doggy. Family Feud. That's cool. A giant sign up top. With him. $125 for the ring bell. Was the hammer? Oh no, there's no hammer. It just rings. That's cool. How much did you say you had in this?
125. I'll say 125.
Would you do 100 for it? Straight cash? 100 cash?
We only take cash.
Would you do 100 cash?
We just got it. 110. We do
110?
110. You look that thing up.
It's cool.
They go $200 or $300.
Yeah. I'll do 110. It's a cool piece, man. I'm a big fight fan and boxing fan, so like.
We got another one at home.
Do you?
I had the other one's in the box. The store. I used to sell Pabst Blue. Well, I've had the store closed for 25 years.
Do you guys have any more Pabst Blue Ribbon stuff at all? No, not with you.
We got some Fall City stuff.
120. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's a cool piece, man.
You finding much yet? No, just getting started. So. Have I been on 2 days? Oh, well, okay.
Hello. Man. Such a cool stand, man. Excuse me.
Yes, sir. away.
You guys got stuff back here too?
Yep.
What do you guys have on Bert and Ernie?
Huh? Daddy. Which one?
Bert and Ernie, both of them?
They're the old shampoo
Yeah,
and
yep,
or
I know, yeah.
bubble bath or something along those lines.
$1 each.
$1 each? All right.
One of them's broken now.
Oh, one's broken? Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, gotcha.
Oh, and that one's got a little break.
Yeah, they're actually both broken, actually. Yeah. All right, I'll pass. Thank you, though. Wow.
Hey, Mr. driving the golf cart.
Tim, you'll like this.
I thought you had funnel cake.
No, I bought... I just bought that.
Oh, sweet.
Paid up.
How much?
More, I paid $110 for it, but there's comps anywhere from $200 to $350. So,
Nice.
but
It's in good
It's in
condition.
great condition. So
That's-
I think I can get $200 to $250 for it. So yes, I paid up for it, but there's a lot of sold comps as well. That's
Pretty funny, right?
yeah. What they asked for that? $5, 1950. Oops, sorry.
That's all right, go ahead.
Oh, okay. I can look through this.
Don't want to give you away.
All the way down the right-hand side.
How about this? You see that?
Yeah,
And it works.
does it? This is the re-release one, right?
Pardon me?
This is the re-release?
Yes.
Yeah, cool piece.
I wish I had the original one.
Yeah.
It would be more than that.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, thank you. Okay, awesome. I do. What's the story on this? It's like a fake Mickey.
Here, I'll show you. It's a.
Yeah, but it's not Disney, right?
We just rewatched the first.
It's kind of,
Yeah.
it's like a fake Mickey. Yeah, it's cool, kind of cool. Is that the price you asked them to pay for it?
Yeah. We buy storage buildings.
Gotcha. Do you have any more? Do you have any more dolls?
Lauren, have you got any more of these? I don't. Not with me.
Okay. You guys do you guys get any like sports cards at all, video game stuff at all in the storage units, whatever?
I have no idea.
What are you asking this one? 5?
Yes.
Alright. I'll give you the $8.
Are you from around here?
Nah, I'm from Tampa.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, I drove up for this.
We're headed to Florida next.
Oh yeah?
Next month.
Hello. This is what, Game of Thrones?
Yeah, all 8 seasons of
Gotcha. Is it is that Blu-ray or DVD?
the DVDs.
Gotcha. What do you have on the set?
15 for the whole set.
15 for the whole set. Oh, all the discs inside? All the discs inside?
Yep.
Would you $10 for the set, for the series?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay. All the discs in here?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Came out of nowhere, man. Bit me right in the head.
It's a little low.
It is changed.
Appreciate you working with me. This is cool. A custom piece.
There's a boy out in Canton, Texas. It's kind of a special needs boy. He builds that stuff.
Yeah.
I carry him scrap iron and he'll put it together. And then
That's cool.
I try to sell it and I give him the money, but
What's something like that go for?
$15.
$15, huh?
But he don't know whether I'm giving him he don't know value.
Yeah, yeah. He just does it for the love of the game.
But he loves, you know, I give enough money to help him live.
Yeah. Hey, this would fit you.
I know, that's why I I said, but it was in the box. I didn't put it in there, I promise. All right, deal. Thank you. I appreciate it. Here, I will close that back up for you.
Well, actually, that could stay open. I don't know.
Oh. There's my dad when you need him to carry.
You got Uncle Steve right behind you.
Yeah, bunch of couch pets, dog clothes right there, Ron.
Yeah. My pass.
Huh?
All right, I got. What do you have on the TV?
I lost the remote for that. Got it. The guy said it works. I'll be honest with you, I've had it in my barn for many years.
Yeah.
I always meant to bring it up here. Finally did this time. I take $20 for it.
You don't know if it works though.
They said it worked.
Yeah, but you said it's been sitting in your barn.
I got a yard sale. Yeah, I can't
know.
say it will, but I'll say this: if you buy it, and you take it home and don't work, then you bring it back, and you don't have to bring it back. You just come back and tell me, hey, buddy, that TV I bought last year, I'm here every year. It's just gonna come a year when I ain't coming back, you know. But I'll expect you back next year.
I'll be here next couple days, so.
There's been a lot of people asked about it.
Yeah, that's a cool TV.
Yeah.
All right, let me look at it. Is there any power anywhere around here that I can plug it in at least? Is there power here? I can quick plug it in? Power's on. It came on. I couldn't test the sound out, but I can change the channel. It turned on. I'm just seeing if there's any damage or anything to it. Do 15 for it?
Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
$20 is
I got you.
it's unusual.
Yeah.
I keep myself insured really well. Really well.
Oh, give me the 15.
All right, I'll do a 15.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Kevin, look what I bought. So this has the front of it, love, and don't have the front on them. I can probably get.
Oh, you mean just, yeah, they
Yeah,
have it all.
it doesn't have the
Right.
remote, but I think I can get between 1 and 150 for it.
It's in good condition.
It's in great condition, yeah.
It needs cleaning, obviously, but
Just
it's
need to clean
good
off,
shape.
and I tested it out.
That, oh, really?
Yeah. See, a lot of the ones they're selling for like 100, 130 bucks are missing that.
Okay.
So, and I know it works. 15 bucks.
I love it.
So,
15?
yeah. I'm sure. Hello. So, auto bloopers.
I had my camera on for like 17 minutes, so I was going to the bathroom and everything. But yeah, bro. No. Fake grill.
How's sales been so far?
Not good today.
No.
I put it out once and it rained me out.
Oh.
Gotcha.
Then I had to get it back
What do you have in the vest?
out. I had 65 and today I'm going to take 40.
Gotcha.
Then I'm asking 20. Brown.
Yeah.
Just like what the police do.
Yep. Has a gun pocket vest.
You do it by ear now?
With my phone.
The Seattle Space Eagle or whatever. We live there, but we never.
Mhm.
We never even go to the strip.
Would you consider 25 for this? I'd be a buyer at 25.
30.
Yeah, I'd be at 25. If you don't want to, I understand.
No, I'll take you 25.
You take 25? Okay.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you working with us.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Keep an eye out for these CRT TVs. These are really popular with video gamers and people that collect VHS. Disney actually has a bunch of them. There's a Mickey Mouse one, there's a Hannah Montana, there is a Disney Princess one, and then there's some non-Disney ones like Hello Kitty, SpongeBob, Batman. These are great and they sell for really good money. So if you guys see them at yard sales, pick them up. They are super fast sellers. You can either put them on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace if you don't want to ship them. But to be honest with you, they are super easy to ship. I put a little foam on them, wrap it in bubble wrap, put it in a box, and just ship it off. But I had an absolute blast picking on the Highway 127 sale. This is the longest yard sale in the entire world, 690 miles, and it goes through 6 different states: Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, and Michigan. But anyway, guys, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure you guys do like and subscribe. We're gonna have a couple more videos from the Highway 127 sale, so you guys don't want to miss those. We are back on Whatnot. We are doing multiple shows this month on Whatnot, so click on the link down below. Come hang out with us. We'll answer questions, have a good time, and you guys get 15 bucks if you're brand new just for signing up to spend on my show or anyone else's. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.